Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Institute of Science and Technology. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to use Primavera P6 to manage our projects. First of all, we will discuss project management path. It does not matter whether we are using Primavera P6 or any other project management software, but we have to follow a path to manage our project. First of all, we will create EPS, Enterprise Project Structure. It means that what are the projects on which our company is working and what are the departments of our company. Next, we will create resources details, which means that what type of machinery and how many number of people we require to complete our project. Next, we will create OBS, or organizational breakdown structure. It is normally consist of staff and their designation in our company. Next, we will create WBS, and WBS stand for work breakdown structure. We will divide our project into small parts on the basis of nature of work. We will create an activity plan that what task will be performed and when it will be started, or what is its relationship with all other tasks. Then we will assign roles and resources to concerned persons. Next, we will establish documentation and reporting procedure. We will create budget and spending plans. We will create threshold, and in last, we will calculate risks and discuss issues. Now we will talk about that how we will use Primavera P6 to manage our project using following management plan of Primavera P6. The first is overview and configuration. Second, structuring project. Third, implementing the schedule. Fourth, managing the schedule. Customizing project, importing and exporting data. Overview and configuration. Overview and configuration provides an overview of project portfolio management, PPM, simple steps for getting started quickly, and information about standard layouts you can use to view project management data. This part also provides a quick tour including instruction for configuring user preferences. Next, we will structure our project. It includes the basics about enterprise project structure and describe how to set up this structure, add new projects to build hierarchy, use and navigate the EPS, open existing projects and define project properties. We will use an organizational breakdown structure in conjunction with EPS to ensure that each project is effectively managed and that corresponding security measures are in place. Establish the personnel and equipment required to perform the work. Define unlimited hierarchical resources codes for grouping and roll-ups, and create a standard set of roles based on skill requirement that you can assign to resources in all projects. Establish and use work breakdown structure as the basis of budget and spending information, specification and milestone within the EPS. Establish project budgets and funding source behind them, monthly spending plans that show how budgets are distributed throughout the project life cycle, and layout that can track and analyze variance as project progress. Set up project codes to categorize project for organizing, grouping, selecting, and summarizing. Define custom fields that enable you to track and report project data in fields customized for your business needs. Create calendars that define national and organizational holidays, project-specific work, non-work days, and resources, vacation days. Third, we will implement the schedule. Implementing the schedule describes how to define a set of codes you can use to categorize project activities for organizing, grouping, selecting, and summarizing. Establishing the activities that compose project and apply durations, date, resources information, activity types, activity relationships, and other activity details. Set up the expenses or non-resource cost associated with a project and create global cost account to track activity costs and earn value according to your organizational specific cost account codes. Assign estimation weights to WBS element and activities to perform top-down estimation. The next is to manage the schedule. Manage the schedule describes how to establish baseline plans against which you can track project cost, schedule, and performance data. First of all, create a baseline to use for comparison, summarization, and earned value reporting. Update project by applying actual dates directly to activities or by using timesheet data for progress reporter module and how to schedule and level project. Summarize and save project data on the fly or at regular schedule interval you specify. Establish issues or known problems within a project plan either manually or by defining project thresholds, which monitor project data according to measures you specify. Calculate the effort that a project, risk, concern, or uncertainty about a project or one of its components will have on a project schedule, cost, and duration. Catalog and track all project-related documents and deliverables and track the schedule by setting up additional layout to monitor project status. Compare project and baseline to determine the project data that has been updated. Check project in and out of module to maintain the most up-to-date project data possible throughout the organization. The next is importing and exporting data. It describes how to exchange project and methodology data with other Primavera project management and methodology management user using Oracle Primavera's proprietary exchange format. Exchange project data with other Primavera project management user using XML file. Normally in any company more than one person are working on a project and having different roles in project. So they can communicate with each other using Primavera. Exchange project data with Microsoft Project or Microsoft Excel. We can exchange data with Microsoft Project or Microsoft Excel so that it can be ported in a simple manner. Exchange project data between the project management module and Primavera project planner, Primavera contractor, and Primavera contract management user. Thanks for watching. If you are new on our channel, then please subscribe our channel so that you can get notifications of our incoming tutorials.